That's Aidan up there gathering moss so we can start the fire. And that's Aidan probably falling. Almost falling. And there he comes with the moss. Yay! The moss hero. That's it?
Huh?
That's all you got?
That's a freaking wad of moss. You asked for like this much.
This much tight. Oh man. The moss failure. The moss failure of the day. Damn it. All this climbing. And that's all you have to solve.
Nope.
That's all you have to solve. Damn it.
It's beautiful. I don't know what you're talking about.
Beautiful, huh?
I'll go back up. It's funner.
Huh? It's fun? Okay, if you go back up, get me more moss.
Yeah, I will.
Good man.
Yeah, I just looked for that one or two trees that had like the moss on it.
Yeah.
I figured there's got to be something falling to the bottom. So.
Say hi. Say hi to your mom.
I'm talking to the camera already.
Hola, bijola.
Hola.
We're getting ready to start breakfast.
People.
Aidan says it's lunch, not breakfast, but I told him we're going with grandma's rules. Wherever time you wake up, it's breakfast. See you later, guys. I need to cook.
Yo.